Let's see how the cucumbers are doing. I had to transplant a couple of them yesterday. The Armenian ones, only one survived out of three. But that's okay, one's great. But the Japanese cucumbers are doing really well. Very nice. And these are the slicing cucumbers I just had to transplant when I realized the Armenians aren't going to make it. So that's good. We'll have 3 different varieties. I also want to get some lemon cucumbers. And this morning, the zucchinis look wonderful. I was a little concerned for a minute, but they're really doing well. Nice. And the yellow summer squash is so good. Look how healthy it looks. It's gonna rain for about 7 days, so I need to prop up all these beans. Definitely the snow peas. Look at that. They're looking for something to hold on to. It's time. Maybe today.